Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a QR code easily in Canva. So let's say that you want to you can create a QR code for your business or for your store. You can do that on Canva. So here I've already made a design and I want to add this QR code into this design, and what you need to do is just go to the left panel and scroll down until you find apps. So just click on the QR code, and in here you can just enter the URL. In this case, I'm using my YouTube channel link in this, and you can customize the background and also the foreground color. But if you're not, you can just leave it as it is and click on generate QR code, and it will be automatically added to this design. So you can just place it in everywhere, and after that you can save this image and share it to your social media so that people can easily scan this QR code. Okay, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click on thanks, like, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.